Let me tell you about the dangers of accepting gifts without proper consideration. The term white elephant is thought to have originated in Southeast Asia, where white elephants were considered to be sacred animals. In some cultures, they were believed to be reincarnations of great leaders or deities. As a result, they were often given as gifts to important people or as an offering to temples. However, white elephants were also considered to be a burden. They were expensive and could not be used for labor or transportation. Thus, they were often given as a gift to show displeasure or as a punishment. The term white elephant came to be used in English to describe something that is expensive, useless, or cumbersome. A good example of a white elephant is a large, expensive house that is too big for the owner's needs. Another example could be a car that is constantly breaking down, requiring expensive repairs. The term white elephant can also be used to describe a situation where you feel trapped and you cannot escape. For example, a person may be in debt and feel trapped in a white elephant situation. They may feel that they cannot afford to pay off their debt, but also they cannot afford to default on their loans. A company might build a factory to meet its anticipated need for a new product line. However, if the product fails to sell, then this factory might turn into an expensive property that fails to generate enough revenue to cover its maintenance. And in that case, the factory can be considered a white elephant. A job that is difficult to escape from can also be considered a white elephant. So the term white elephant is a reminder that all gifts are not created equal. Some gifts can be a burden rather than a blessing. So remember, it's important to think carefully about the implications of any gift before accepting it. If you appreciated that, then click here for more content like this. And don't forget to subscribe. Be well.